Oh my god! Oh my god, I like this song.
The skies above me.
Take that, yeah, no, ride the wood.
A star so bright.
Yeah, there's seats over there.
You blind. Don't close your eyes. Don't fade
It's so sick about it. It's like all chemicals and colour. That's what it is.
It's gone.
It's fucked up. I love the chocolate and fucking.
It's gunpowder.
Yeah.
I've done it.
Chemicals.
Have you done it? Have you lit a fire?
Yeah. Or 9/11s.
Careful, guys. It's got on Facebook, you know.
Huh?
I'm putting this on Facebook, you know.
So?
Don't make no racist remarks.
How's it been racist?
Just saying.
Shamir's a packet, we can talk about it.
Hey,
Tell
bro.
her.
Bro, allow it, G. She's good, G.
I know I am.
Oh, this is gonna be a scene. No one's cheering or anything. They're just like, fuck it.
There's menus.
Yeah, they're all like this. I wonder how much it would
Let's analyse the gunpowder.
fucking big man, he bought a box of fireworks.
You think they can hear us? She's hearing the fucking bits. Oh, what the
Those ones look better. The ones
it's like chandeliers.
no, imagine it just goes down and makes like a little fire. Those ones go way high.
Just watch where it's coming from.
lap, you know that, innit? Training. Is it?
No.
It looks that way.
Hey, look at those ones.
Iffy, Smurfs.
What?
Smurfs.
They can't get...
And let me play among the stars.
Oh, these are tunes.
Do you know what they should call? Ganja farm or Johnson?
It's like a shiver to my
Ganja.
and I
I can't wait for my twenties off.
You're coming with me to get chips,
Hey,
yeah?
what's the time on this shirt? It says on the top.
20:09.
Okay, well, you have
No, you can't.
the song and I forevermore.
Fucking feels like the ground. The ground is moving.
I know, bro.
No, it actually feels like we're turning around.
Fucking look at that smoke there.
I love you.
Pussies are fucking up.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Oh, what the? They're like little tennis balls.
Hindus. White people.
And that's actually a big one.
Advertising!
It's my song, man. Is this the Katy Perry version? Is this the Katy Perry
Yeah,
version?
It has to be. They're only like short. Fucking making it cool. They could have made no teeth.
Yeah. Oh, if you played that, I'm like, fuck it.
I just jumped in the fire. What now? The fire. Is that? Yeah, they didn't give me the light.
Yeah.
They're giving us a scene. That would have been hard if you right the back. And it's got like that? Oh, with that hand. These ones are supposed to be big bang.
They're fucking, they got huge, like, they got huge tails.
Yeah, that's what they should be, but they're not.
Concentrated, then it.
They got huge legs. No, we're doing scientific work.
Yeah, I know. It's concentrated and then it. What's the word? It disperses.
It dissociates from the capture. Oh my god, I just touched my jacket anyway. Look, man, there's people all the way over here. There's at least
You've got around 2K. I mean, 200 fans there. You've got around 200 fans. So I think there's around about 30
I doubt. a full beard when he comes.
I miss the earth so much. I miss my wife.
What a moist tune.
I like it.
Slowly out the street. Such a time.
Anisha, where's your BB?
Huh? In my hand.
How long? 12 months? Bro, I didn't know.
Yeah, take one of us.
You can't see in the dark.
Shall I put a flash on?
What, individual?